After such thrilling games, we can only thank the one without this would not be possible. Paul's Biryani, our title sponsor.
I'm a king, but I fuck with my saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when the
Giving us so much energy today. The players need a lot of fuel. And apart from fuel zone, where else do you get your fuel? Paul's Biryani, the title sponsor of ACSS.
It was amazing. It was very flavorful and I didn't need any condiments with it, and that's the best part. That it was great. It was not spicy at all. It was the perfect blend of flavor and taste.
One word for Pulse Biryani.
Delicious. Authentic.
The best sponsor for a shoka out there.
Needed. It's spicy.
I think I always have the special one, so the special boneless one. So
It's like full of flavor and it's just so delicious. Like every time there's a Paul's Biryani stall, I make sure I 100% go there and eat it.
Thank you, Paul's Biryani, for existing.